top tips and tricks for creating engaging YouTube videos that will help you succeed. Are you a content creator looking to succeed on YouTube? It can be tough to stand out on the platform, but with the right strategies, you can create engaging videos that your audience will love. Here are some of the best tips and tricks for creating content that will help you succeed on YouTube. Get to know your audience. It's essential to clearly understand who your audience is and what they want to see. Consider their age, location, interests, and problems they might be looking to solve through your content. Viewers appreciate authenticity, so don't be afraid to be yourself and show your personality in your videos. This will help you connect with your audience and build a loyal following. Find a niche you are passionate about using that to create your channel. Specializing in a specific topic or niche will help you stand out and attract a dedicated audience. It will also make it easier to develop new video ideas. Have a clear concept in mind. Before you start filming, ensure you have a clear concept and outline for your video. This will help you stay focused and ensure that your video has a clear beginning, middle, and end. Use the best high-quality equipment you can afford. Poorly lit and low-quality videos can turn off viewers, so investing in good equipment is important. This includes a high-definition camera, lighting equipment, and a good microphone. Create or purchase visually appealing graphics to give your videos a professional look. In addition to the video itself, make sure to incorporate visually appealing graphics, such as thumbnails, titles, and end screens. These can help grab the attention of potential viewers and keep them engaged. When editing your videos correctly and smoothing out the rough spots will give you a better end product. Editing your videos can help you cut unnecessary footage and improve the overall flow and pacing. Many software options are available, such as Vegas Pro, Adobe Premiere, DaVinci, and Final Cut Pro. Boost the emotional value of your video with the appropriate background music. Adding background music can help set the tone and mood of your video, and it can also help keep viewers engaged. Make sure to use royalty-free music or get permission to use copyrighted tracks. Using copy to get more viewers or sales, use annotations and calls to action. Annotations and calls to action can help guide viewers through your video and encourage them to take a specific action, such as subscribing to your channel or checking out a related video. Push more people to your videos by collaborating with other creators. Collaborating with other creators can help you reach a new audience and add value to your videos. Just make sure to choose creators who align with your brand and target audience. Engage with your audience. Building a community around your content is key to success on YouTube. Make sure to respond to comments and engage with your audience through social media and live streams. This tip is very important for using SEO to optimize your titles and tags. Use keywords in your titles and tags to help your videos appear in search results. This will make it easier for viewers to find your content. You want to create a consistent posting schedule. Consistency is key on YouTube. Try to post new videos on a regular schedule so that your audience knows when to expect new content. This can also help increase your visibility on YouTube's algorithm. Why would you want to use closed captions? Because by adding closed captions to your videos can help make your content more accessible to a broader audience, including viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing. Utilize end screens and annotations on a YouTube video. End screens and annotations can help drive traffic to your other videos and encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. Use social media to promote your videos. Don't be shy about promoting your videos on social media or other platforms. This will help increase their visibility and reach a wider audience. In addition to YouTube, promote your videos on social media platforms to help reach a wider audience. Engage with your audience to make them know you better. Responding to comments and interacting with your viewers can help foster a sense of community on your channel. This will encourage them to keep coming back for more and help you build a loyal following. Make use of YouTube's Community tab. The Community tab is a feature on YouTube that allows creators to interact with their audience in real time through text, images, and live videos. This feature can help increase engagement and build a stronger connection with your viewers. Creating playlists of your videos can help keep viewers on your channel longer. increasing the chances that they'll watch more of your content. Create a channel trailer to give you an extra boost in credibility. A channel trailer is a short video that introduces viewers to your channel and gives them a sense of what they can expect from your content. Creating a channel trailer is essential in attracting and retaining subscribers if you have a YouTube channel. A channel trailer is a short video, usually around 30 seconds to 2 minutes, that introduces your channel and its content to potential subscribers. It's like a movie trailer, but for your channel. YouTube thumbnails are small images displayed along with your video when it appears in YouTube search results or on your channel page. They are an important part of your video's marketing, as they help to attract the attention of potential viewers and encourage them to click and watch your video. They can also contribute to your video's SEO. Although they are not as important as they used to be due to a new feature of YouTube that plays a 15-second clip, making the clip more important but still have value, especially when a search is done on Google. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Don't forget to click the bell icon if you want to be notified about our next video.